Hi, today we are making my famous fall off the bone oven baked barbecue spare ribs. You will need 1 rack of baby barbecue pork spare ribs. You can also use beef, it doesn't matter. In fact, you can use any rack of ribs that you would like. I have 2 racks because I always make a second so that I can put in the freezer and I can reheat it for the next night or whenever. You want to take a cookie pan or a large baking pan and line it with tin foil, just like that. You want to place your ribs on your tin foil on the rack and you want to pat them dry as much as possible. Now throw out your paper towel and wash your hands. Now set these aside and we are going to make our rub. For our rub, you want to take 2 tablespoons of paprika and add 1 tablespoon of black pepper and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar. Now take 2 teaspoons of kosher salt. Now add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and 1 teaspoon of onion powder and 1 teaspoon of chili powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin. And last, a half teaspoon of dried mustard. Now mix all this together, your spice rub, and you can use any spice rub you want. You don't have to make this from scratch. Whatever you prefer, you can go buy this in the store. So you're gonna mix all this together. Now with your washed hands, you wanna take your seasoning and spread it all over your ribs, just like that. So you want to rub your seasonings all over your baby back ribs or whatever ribs you're using. Make sure that it's completely covered, just like that. Now you're gonna wrap your ribs in your tin foil. Very easy, just like that. Now preheat your oven to 300 degrees for 3 hours and then they're done. Okay, it's been 3 hours and our ribs are done. Serve. You want to uncover your ribs, and the very last step is putting on your barbecue sauce. Use any sauce you want, it doesn't matter. If you like the sauce, great. What you're going to do is you're going to take your sauce and you are going to slather it on your rib. I'm going to do 1 rack with Sweet Baby Ray's and do the other rack with Kraft Original Barbecue Sauce. You can even do a half rack of one sauce and a half rack of another sauce. Whatever floats your boat, it doesn't matter. Whatever you like, use. So you want to just spread your barbecue sauce all over your ribs. Just like this. Burn. Now we're going to broil this in the oven for about 3 to 4 minutes. You want to watch it so it doesn't burn. And they will be done and ready to serve. Ow, 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 ow. That's hot. Ow, ow, ow. Ouch. All right, I'll see you in 3 minutes. And voila! We have perfect fall off the bone, oven baked barbecue. Oh my God. How easy was that? If there is one recipe that you cook from all of the videos that I posted, this is it. Seriously. I know I say everything is great, but this is amazing. Look how easy that was to cut. And voila! We have oven baked barbecue spare ribs. Perfect. And look at that. A perfect barbecue oven baked spare rib. And I made some homemade coleslaw. The recipe is in the description below, and enjoy. Please make this. Seriously, this is amazing. Have a great evening. Again, happy 2019, and God bless everybody. Bye.